If you need to bring your vehicle to a collision repair center, you might be curious what the process will be like. We're going to walk you through step by step so you can understand in the event you need to bring your vehicle in. If involved in an accident, first get to a safe place and call 911. If possible, move your vehicle out of traffic flow unless it would cause further injury or the vehicle is disabled. After the incident, take your vehicle to our collision center for damage assessment, even if damage seems minor, as there may be underlying issues. If it is safe to do so, you can drive your vehicle to our center or call a tow truck, which we can also assist with. When your vehicle arrives at our collision center, we'll inspect the damage and provide an estimate for you and your insurance. Your insurance company will verify the estimate either through pictures or by sending an adjuster to inspect in person. After approval, repair work can begin. Collision repairs often take longer than typical service jobs, so your car may be at our center for several days, depending on the necessary repairs. Arranging alternative transportation may be needed, in which we offer rental vehicles. Once approved for repairs, your vehicle enters our body shop. Our skilled technicians use top quality equipment and follow strict manufacturer guidelines. Depending on the damage, we may repair existing parts or replace them with our new parts from the manufacturer. This could range from fixing dents and scratches to replacing structural components. Next up is the painting process, where we will prep the surface and mask off any necessary areas. Part of the painting process is accurately matching the new paint with what's currently on the vehicle. We receive codes specific to your car's paint from the manufacturer. The final step is assembly in the body shop, followed by a thorough assessment to ensure all repairs have been properly completed. While accidents can happen unexpectedly, we're prepared to assist you through the entire process. We'll handle your vehicle repairs, paperwork, work with your insurance company, and provide the guidance you need.